Ang ulan sa Saturday.
Yun nga eh.
Sa arcade
Saan
yan.
kayo, Claremont? Shit!
So we might play Newcastle in the morning.
Maglakad ka na sa labas.
Tapos wala na, ulan na ng Sunday.
Like 1 week lang akong nasa loob ba?
Yeah, hirapan ka na dito sa
Yeah,
Talaga?
Oh, on Sunday.
Kasi yung
Yeah,
last
Sunday.
time, nasa labas lagi ako ngayon, hindi.
Okay. Mix ba o? Mix ba o tayo?
Sa Saturday na! Oh my God!
Mix ba o? Ano mas gusto mo? Do you want to practice this or? Okay, let's do this.
Sino ano, laro din kayo sa Saturday?
Sunday.
Sunday. So babalik ulit kayo sa Orange County? Wow. Yeah, Newport Beach kayo Wow.
Oh, sorry Nick. Zip! Oo.
I knew you were gonna do that for some reason.
Hininaan ko na nga eh.
It was still strong though.
Yeah, I know. A little less, more less. If that makes sense.
Init, shit.
Yeah, we could probably say it airs, but the kids. Great turn. Great turn. Heads up, heads up, heads up, heads up. Oh, 2-1.
Pangit.
Baba. You can go straight or middle. You don't have to go cross-legged. You were there. It was just too low.
There one too?
Baka naka-close yung paddle mo. Baka yung kanina naka-close.
Dapat daw ganun, side eh.
Pag nag-dink ka, open it a
Slow,
little.
slow.
Yes. Pero low, kukunin mo siya ng mababa. You don't carry it kasi tataas sa babang baba.
Let's just play now, yeah?
Pag mababa ka, tapos naka-open, it's just gonna
So
go.
open dapat.
Just a little bit, hindi parang
Iba yung
flat.
sa YouTube.
Yeah, no,
Let's
no,
just play,
no.
let's just play.
Yeah, yeah.
4-3-2.
Ah!
Let's just play.
Pag mababa, it helps. Nice.
Kaya mo, salamin ako, maliwanag na masyado.
Ay, meron mo na ako dito.
Oh, 3-1. You're going too forward on, like, now it's popping up.
I'm trying to drop it. Thank you. You're 3-2. No.
Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again. You thought the ball was coming over. It's side side. Redo. Oh, 10, 1.
Wala nang tumatakbo, naglalakad na lang lahat. Mga naglalakad na lang.
Oh, 10.
Ah!
Oh, what a game.
Done.
Ang init na eh.
11:30 na pala.
Intense. Hindi pa summer yan.
Ikaw pumili, Eric. Where are we eating?